Hey everyone, thanks for watching. My name is Aaron, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install and set up competitor insights for the first time, starting with the install page from the AppExchange. Go ahead and install for admins only, as you won't want to install this for all users quite yet. Once you've installed the application, you'll see that there's a new competitor insights dashboard and an app within your Salesforce org. It won't have any graphs or charts or data obviously yet. That's going to be up for you to start setting up and driving. But you'll need to install a few things and get a few things taken care of before your users can use this and report off the data, including permission sets, report view and edit access, adding your competitors as records, and adding the screen widget. So that way your users can add this to opportunities, accounts, or leads. First thing you want to go take care of is resolve the permission sets. And we have three standard permission sets that we've created, including standard user, manage playbooks, and manage competitors. Go ahead and assign the standard user permission set to anybody who needs to be able to use or view competitor insights, including adding competitors to opportunities. Assign the manage playbooks permission set to anybody who needs to create or edit playbooks, and assign manage competitors to anybody who needs to create, edit, or delete competitors and those records. The standard user will be enough to allow your sales floor and team members to add competitors to opportunities, leads, or accounts, however. The second thing you want to do is go to your reports tab, and under the folder competitor insights, go ahead and hit share and share that with whatever users need to be able to access reports, either on the competitor dashboard page or the individual competitor account pages. If they don't have access to this folder, they won't be able to see reports such as these, or such as the reports from an actual competitor account page right here. The third thing you want to do is add the widget to either your opportunities, your accounts, or your leads. And the widget is what allows your users to add a competitor, to associate a competitor to an account, lead, or opportunity. At the simple level, you're going to add this to the lightning page of the account, lead, or opportunity, and you'll add it by going to the flow component, adding the flow component for create and edit insights widget, and then just make sure you check this box right here to pass the record ID into the variable. Otherwise, this widget won't work. Save this, and your account should be good to go. You'll have added the competitor insights widget to your account or to your opportunity or your lead, wherever you need this to fit in your process. You can also add this widget into an existing screen flow. If you have an existing screen flow that you force users through to move opportunities to closed won or closed lost, for example. And the screen flow is again, it's just a foundation. You can go ahead and make your own if you need to, or edit a new process. This is a foundation that allows reps to really add new competitor insights to their deals, insights for your leadership so they can see specific details they need to see. From this widget as well, users will be able to view playbooks or view the competitor details that they'll need to see. The final step you'll need to take is adding your competitors and adding your playbooks. A simple way to do this one by one is add your competitors using this quick create node down here at the bottom of the dashboard. You can create your test, competitor, add whatever details you need to, add your product information for that competitor, and go ahead and hit save, and that'll create your basic product and competitor that users can now use to start associating to their deals or their leads. If you want to bulk add competitors, make sure you do two things. Make sure you add bulk insert competitor accounts at the account level, and the important fields will include the name, employees, account nodes, maybe website, and then go ahead and make sure you bulk add competitor products as well. And this will include product name, list price, any product notes that you have. And finally, last but not least, make sure to go ahead and add playbooks so that your reps can have the actionable insights they need and talk tracks they need to work with their competitors. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.